This is your dog. This is your life. And this is your life with your pet made a whole lot easier with Wayzn, a device that converts your sliding back door into a secure app-controlled pet door. So while mom's at work and dad's, well, busy, Wayzn puts the power of using the sliding door into the paws of your pets. No more expensive sitters, no more interruptions, no more accidents in the house, no more worries. Traditional pet doors are ugly, cause permanent damage, and are a serious security hazard. Wayzn just takes 3 minutes to install your sliding door, working with all standard sizes and styles. No damage, no costly professional installation, no eyesore. And it acts as a secure lock to your home, easily disappearing whenever you need it to. Wayzn detects your pet at the door and sends you a notification so you can let them in or out. And when you're at home, you have the auto open option, doing the work for you. Wayzn even works with your smart speakers and cameras like Alexa and Nest. So when you're away, you'll see when your pet's ready to come back in on your mobile device. When your hands are tied, you can use your smart speaker to open the door. Locked out? No need for a hide-a-key. Wayzn allows you to get into your home with your smartphone. Wayzn's safe, affordable, and secure, keeping your day's schedule on track while bringing freedom to you and your pet. Learn more today at Wayzn.com.